Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and let's go ahead and unbox the July Petit Vour box. I did cancel my subscription, but I had a year-long subscription. I think there might be one more after this, but let's go ahead and get into this box. So here is the card for this month's box. I don't know what to make of this. It's just a weird little blue design. We are getting 4 items in the July box. So let's go ahead and just crack right into them. First one is a packet. It looks like there's a powder of some sort. This is the WS, or With Simplicity, Fizz C Purifying Vitamin C Lava Clay Mask. Okay, so right out the gate, love a mask, but I do not like this packaging at all. Like, this would be fine if it was a single-use bath bomb type packaging or bath salt type packaging, but I feel like for a mask, this is going to be messy. That said, let's get into the description. So, this is an $8 value. Experience the rejuvenating power of vitamin C and lava clay with our fizzing face mask. Mix 1 part powder with 1 part water. A tablespoon of each is usually enough. Apply to skin and keep on for 12 to 15 minutes. I'm so sorry if you hear Franny meowing her head off in the background. She sorely wants attention. Anyway, so it looks like there might be maybe 2 uses in this if you are using a tablespoon of product, which is not bad to get multiple uses out of a packet type thing like this, but I am afraid this is going to be messy. I do like getting masks though and trying masks. I really enjoy doing a face mask, so I'm not mad about this product. The next item in the box is from Province Apothecary. This is the moisturizing hand sanitizer in lavender and mint. This is a $6 value. Aloe juice and glycerin add soothing and hydrating properties, while the essential oils of lavender and peppermint add an uplifting, energizing scent with extra skin conditioning properties made of 70% ethanol alcohol. So I'm kind of hand sanitizered out here on the what is hopefully tail end of we're still in a pandemic, but it's useful at least, and I do appreciate the tiny size. I'd be nervous it might leak, but I don't know, it does feel pretty sturdy. This would be a good one to throw in your purse. So I'm not excited about this, but I don't hate it. The next item is from My Shell, or My Shelly, I don't know exactly how it's pronounced, Dermaceuticals. This is their Hydrate 3-in-1 Super Serum, and it looks like it is a tinted item because it has a little color dot here and indicates that this is the light one. It says it has hyaluronic acid, vegan squalene, and SPF 30. Love that. So I guess this is like a SPF tinted moisturizer, which is really cool because actually today, and what I've been doing a lot recently, is mixing one of my tinted moisturizers into my SPF moisturizing product. So it's kind of what I'm already doing anyway. So this is fascinating to me. Let's read the description. This is a $28 value. So there we go. We've got the whole value of the box right there. Sun Shield Liquid SPF 30. So this sheer tinted oil-free formula provides 100% mineral broad-spectrum protection, blending weightlessly and seamlessly to give your skin a fresh, healthy glow with a smooth, matte finish. Now, I don't love a matte finish, but you know, they can vary, so we'll see. Free from retinol palmate, octinoate. There's a lot of big words coming. Be prepared to hear me mispronounce a lot of things. Oxalate, oxybenzone, PABA, parabens, petroleum phthalates, silicones, sulfates, ureas, artificial fragrance, and artificial colors. So it's free of all that crap. I do love when artificial fragrance is left out, but that could still mean that there is like natural oil fragrance. So I will read the ingredient list. Since it's more of a makeup type product, I would probably still use it, but I'm still gonna read the list just to tell you guys. So yeah, that is the product. Let me read the list. I'm not immediately seeing anything in here fragrant or irritating, so that's really nice. let's check it out. I want to compare the tint in what they consider light to see how it compares to my skin. If you're new around here, this is actually me with a tan. I am very, very pale, so we'll see how this compares. So there is it just dolloped on. And there it is mostly rubbed out. I'd say that's a pretty solid color match. And because it does sheer out a bit, I do think it could cover a decent range of skin tones. I don't know if I could get away with this at my palest, but here in summer, it looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. I'm excited to give that a try. And this is the last product in the box. This is from Upcircle. It is their night cream with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. I do love a nice, thick, luscious night cream. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging. Oh, lovely packaging. Let's read the description. Another $28 value item, so that's pretty sweet. We're over $50 of value, I'm pretty sure, on this one, which is really cool. A gentle, dermatologically approved, unscented, I'm loving all these words, overnight moisturizer to nourish, repair, and protect the skin. Suitable for all skin types, formulated with replenishing niacinamide to even skin tone, hyaluronic acid to hydrate, and rosehip oil to promote overnight skin regeneration. And I'm so sorry if you can hear the bird outside. There's a bird squawking so loud right now. I don't know why animals in my life are making so much noise today. Anyway, the description makes it sound great. Let me take a look at these ingredients. So the only thing on the list that I'm like mildly concerned about is the vanilla fruit extract. It's an extract, so I'm going to give it some leeway and not just a straight oil. So let's go ahead and take a look at this because it is thick and luscious. Oh, I'm excited about that. I gotta tell y'all, I'm using that really hyped up Drunk Elephant one right now. And I like it. I do like it. But I don't know why people are so obsessed with it. It is not like any degree greater than some of the other ones I've tried, especially that pharmacy one I was using. That one's really good too. So I don't know that it's worth the cost difference to get the Drunk Elephant one over some other ones that are just as easy to get and cheaper. So that's just my opinion on that right now. Maybe I'll have an epiphany and think it's the greatest thing on earth, but right now I think it's just a little overpriced for what you're getting. Anyway, that's an aside. I think this is going to be very interesting. I'm not really getting a strong scent from this. I do want to touch it, but I'm not going to because I know I have other ones I have open right now, so I'm not going to get to this just yet, and I don't want to put my germs into an open jar product that I'm not immediately starting just because of the cross-contamination factor, but very excited about this. So it figures, right, that I cancel my subscription and then I get like this banging box. So excited about the mask. Don't love the packaging, but that's like whatever. The product's really what counts. But excited to try this and very excited about this tinted SPF moisturizer. That's cool. Excited about this night cream. And while I don't find myself excited about the Province Apothecary hand sanitizer, it is a practical item and it is something I will eventually use. So I think this is a sick box. I'm gonna give this an A. I really like this box. Why don't every box come this, why doesn't every box, what am I saying? Why doesn't every box come this loaded? This is all stuff I have not received before. I mean, yeah, I've gotten hand sanitizer before, but I don't know that I've gotten this exact one. I love when I'm getting things that are new to me, things I've never seen before, never tried before. Maybe I've heard of the brand, but it's a product I've never explored. This is exactly how I like my subscription boxes. I found this to be a perfect month for me personally. So if you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And if you're still here at this point, well, one, thank you for waiting till the end of the video. But also two, obviously my YouTube video output has been surpassed by just reposting my TikToks here on YouTube. So if there's a specific type of like really geared towards YouTube type of video you'd like to see from me, let me know, because I definitely need some ideas. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye.